Hey everybody, welcome to the video number 4 of Traffic Domination free list building training video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can track what's working and what's not working. So a big part of this digital marketing is having the ability to recognize what's working in your business in terms of traffic and sale and conversion. So once you identify what that is, the traffic source that are working for you, then you know that is where to invest your time and energy into this. So we can obviously have a look at Google Analytics and get a root ideas of the traffic source that are working for us. But we do need a little bit more precise data to help us get an understanding of the bigger picture. So for that, we go in to use something called UTM parameters. So you're gonna go to the Google, type search URL builders, then you will click on this URL link. It will open the new browser. The new browser is like this. What we're going to do is to build a unique URL that contains the data that will help us understanding where the traffic is coming from and how it fits into our overall marketing mix. So this is the example of the UTM URL. So here is the website example.com. Then we had the UTM underscore source. And here we have a quite long URL string. And I'm going to get into explaining this in a second. And this will make completely sense to you in the next few minutes. So to build the URL of UTM, you just go to the Google and type UTM builder, and then you click on this link, campaign URL builder, and then it will take us to this page, campaign URL builder. So here we would put in your website address. Maybe we're gonna put here the article1.html, and that's where we're going to send the traffic to. So moving on to the campaign source, maybe you're gonna email this link to your newsletter and you want to track how effective that method is. Of course, this could be the Facebook, or this could be the Twitter. It doesn't matter. It is whatever source you're going to promote this URL onto. And then have a look at the campaign medium. So if you're using a banner ad or if it's a cost per click campaign, doesn't matter. This one isn't really needed. Neither the campaign name, unless you're running it under specific campaign. So it could be a special sale or a promotion that you're running. And again, that can include any paid keywords that you're using on this campaign. And you can use this section to differentiate from different type of ads. So the main thing that you need to worry about here is the website URL. So that we go in to send the traffic to the specified article 1, videos, whatever it is, and then this campaign source where you go in to promote it. And then once you have that, so just let's get rid of this. For simplicity, let's just include of those two variables. And here we have the URL that we will use to promote your piece of content. So you would copy that URL and paste that into the Twitter or your Facebook page or whatever the source you're using for promotion. And then Google Analytics will retrieve that source tag and use that to give you more specific information in Google Analytics. And if you want to delve deeper into the UTM URL builders, you got a bunch of different variables that you can use here. This is really a powerful method, and this is what the professional digital marketer use for tracking their campaigns. So there you go. Hopefully you found this useful, and remember to use this to track what's working and then to do more of that. That's it for the video number 5 of Traffic Domination free list building training video. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know if this content was helpful. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Tommy Bacardi, peace.